Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to sign in Splid account. So if you also want to sign in a Splid account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So signing in to your Splid account is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Splid application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Once you open the Splid application, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find two options, new group and join group. So if you do not have an account and if you want to create a new account, simply tap on the option new group. After that, you'll be able to create a new group. But if you want to sign into your account, that means if you want to join the group, for that, what you have to do is tap on the option join group that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is enter a code. Simply enter the code of the group that you want to join. Now after you enter the code, what you have to do is tap on the join option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be able to join the existing group in Splid. So that is how you sign in Splid account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.